What is happening, YouTube? Welcome back. It's Chris at Clive View Cars. Something a little bit different today. We're going to do a tool review. Yep, a tool review. What am I going to review? Well, it's not really a review, it's an unboxing. So what I've got myself is a Sealey 12 volt 3" drive ratchet wrench kit with 2 batteries. So it's 250 RPM, variable speed, 12 volts. So it says it's a heavy duty, you can see that, so a heavy duty ratchet mechanical steel ratchet head, integrated LED battery, level indicator, built-in LED working light, supplied with 1 mains charger, 2 lithium ion batteries, 1.5 amp hour batteries and a canvas storage bag. Reason I've got this is I'm a bit lazy with the old tools. So I thought what I'd do is I get myself one of these electric ratchets. A lot of people have been using them. They've been out for a while, but what I thought I'd do is I'd do the unboxing on this because I've not done a tool review for a while, so, or a tool unboxing. And get in the box big, isn't it? So as you open the box, you see it comes and you're presented with your Sealey canvas bag. What I'll do is I'll put a link to this in the description. That all comes nice and packaged. There's your bag. 2 batteries themselves. Look at them. 1 charger. Then obviously the ratchet itself, which is just there. So what we'll do is we'll unbox the ratchet, then we'll unbox the rest of it. So typically, as soon as I start doing anything, the bloody phone goes. Okay, so let's get the ratchets open. In fact, what we'll do is we'll get a picture of this all first before we let's get a thumbnail, shall we? Lock my feet in the picture. Oh, my dark wife's fucking the shit on the floor. So let's get into this. So there's the ratchet. Yep, there's the ratchet there. There's the box. Quite a bit of weight to it actually. It's a lot heavier than what I thought. So it's the model number CP1202. Someone's going to say it's crap. Someone will say it's good. But again, that's my opinion. I bought it, so it's my money. So I'll do what I want. So anyway, if I get into the box, get the ratchet out. Okay, so here's your ratchet with some instructions. Remember, we don't need them. Well, my man, you might not be, but I am. Don't need them. And there's actually quite a bit of weight to this, which is quite nice. It's a good heavy tool. Okay, so as you can see, the switch itself is got a safety on it. Do that. 3/8 head. Quite a bit of weight to it, so let's get a battery in it and see if we get a swizz. Okay, so there's the battery. It comes boxed. You know what, I should have got a knife for this now. Okay, so it says on the box that it's 0.7 of a kilogram. So there's your battery, obviously, there's the serial number on the bottom. Focus. Okay, just look at the bottom of it, see how it slides in like that. So it's dual direct, so there's the head, it's your working light. I believe it is a dual direction, yep, which is controlled by the switch at the top, lefty right. So it's bi-directional. There's your little LED on the side, it says half charge your battery is, and obviously there is your working LED. quite impressed with this. Great noise. Anyway, so there's the actual wrench unboxed with battery in it. Battery charger is, well, I suppose you've all seen a battery charger before. Anyway, let's whip it out. The battery charger, that is. Not a sexual innuendo. Let's whip it out. Let's not do that now. On camera anyway. Okay. Again, Sealey branded. It's 230 volts again, and obviously for your battery. Removing the battery from this is probably going to be squeezing the side, pull it out, job the fish, and then just charge it, plug it in the charger, and then plug it in. Okay, canvas bag you get with it, storage bag. So it's actually pretty big, to be fair for that. So obviously Sealey canvas bag, heavy duty zip, heavy duty nylon. Yeah, it's quite nice. Anyway guys, that is an unboxing of my wrench. It's been down and dirty and quick because obviously you don't want to watch me prattle on. You want to know if the tool's any good, you want to see what you get in the box, and then obviously you just want to know if you're going to go buy it. I think I paid 100 quid for this on Amazon. I do think that this is, I think if memory serves, this has got some sort of impact with it as well in some shape or form, but I will check that out. Yeah, it has, yes. There's the fluctuating head there which adds the impact to it. Yeah, so that's the Sealey 12 volt 3 square drive cordless ratchet. Oh, could try saying that when you're pissed. And it'll go up to 45 newton meters. Which is more than enough for what I need. Anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Helps me, helps the channel, lets you know when I'm uploading nonsense. And hopefully you enjoy the video and you get back and you come back and stick around. Anyway guys, please don't forget to hit me up in the comments if you want to see more of this sort of stuff or what you'd like to see on the channel. We will have some more car orientated stuff come in the next few days. I've got the Vectra, I always call it a Vectra. Insignia is going to be back. We're going to collect another car tomorrow, stroke something else, which you'll find out in the video. And then we will do a clean up and tidy up of whatever we've got in stock. Still got Sealey, that needs a whole lot of work, so we'll be doing that. And yeah, anyway guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. Peace out. Catch you in the next one.